Well, thanks for joining me on DAS, and this is DasCafe. And at DasCafe, we serve good living, and that's so that we can feel good, look good, and live longer. Today, I want to focus on a healthy snack that I primarily think of kids eating, but it's for the whole family. I worked for the military over a decade working as a nutritionist, and I worked with the youth, and I got hands-on experience, and I know what kids do and do not like. But with a lot of enthusiasm and encouragement, I was able to get kids to eat eggplant, plantains, bok choy, and they enjoyed it. So that was amazing. But today, a very simple recipe. I call it Kids Special. Let's do it right now. The ingredient is this natural peanut butter, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the natural peanut butter, and I like that because it's not hydrogenated, which means that it is not, it doesn't turn a natural fat into a saturated fat. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of my natural fat, and this is peanut butter, and you can use any nut butter because you do have kids who have peanut allergies, so you would probably want to use some other type of butter. You've got butter from sunflower seeds and other nut butters that can be used. Then my second ingredient, and I'm going to do a heaping teaspoon of, and I'm using here apricot preserves. You can use peach preserves, you can use orange marmalade, or in this case, I'm just using the apricot preserves. I like the preserves because it has a more of a fruit flavor, and you're going to pay a little bit more for preserves, but then you won't have a whole lot of sugar added to it, and you certainly won't have high fructose corn syrup. But make sure that the brand you get does not have that. To add 2 tablespoons of a non-dairy milk. Now that's my filling, and I'm going to stick this in the microwave for about 30, 50 seconds, just to kind of melt it a little bit, and then I will stir it. So now that I've taken it out the microwave, I'm going to stir the mixture until it's nice and smooth. And that's delicious, it's nutritious. You've got apricot preserves, which are your vitamin A, you've got your niacin and your protein from your peanuts, and then you have the non-dairy, which is some calcium and some protein from the non-dairy. Okay. Well, I have some whole grain toast in the oven, but while it's in the oven, I want to share a cooking hint with you. And you know, sometimes when you have to cut fresh onions, and aside from the fact it tears you up, but it gets on your hands. So even though you wash your hands, you still have that onion smell. So if you want to go out to a special event or go out on a date or something like that, you don't want your hands smelling like onions. The remedy is, and I get this remedy from my cookbook, Pumpkin's Veggie Delights. You get the Kids Special Healthy Snack that we are preparing today, but I get it from here. And to purchase my book, Pumpkin's Veggie Delights, I'll have it in the link below. Some of the lemon juice, either from a carton like this, or you want to squeeze a little fresh lemon juice on your hands, you can do that. Voila, no onion smell, but you got that nice scent from the fresh lemons. Just put it a little toast, and I'm using this Ezekiel bread, and I like the Ezekiel bread because it has a lot of whole grains in it, and meaning the very second or third ingredient are these whole grains, and that's what I like. And I'll just take a little margarine after I put it in, make a little toast. I don't toast mine too much, but put a little margarine. And then get the spread that we just made of the Kids Special. Spread that around. This is better than your traditional peanut butter and jelly. Now, another thing that I like to do, so I'm going to cut it, because we're talking about serving it primarily for kids, but this is a treat for the whole family. It's a good appetizer. It's a good lunch idea or mini meal, as well as a healthy snack. And I just cut these little triangles. Very creative, very nutritious. You have it right here. This is a meal in itself or an appetizer. Like I said, a good idea for a lunch. And enjoy. It's your kids' special. It's good for the whole family. A very healthy snack. Well, I know you will enjoy the kids' special that we made today. It's a very quick, easy, wholesome snack. Bring your kids into the kitchen and let them help you with preparing some of these simple snacks. This particular one, there are no problem utensils that you have to use. You cut everything, and I just use that butter knife. And, but you still want to monitor. Anytime your children are in the kitchen, you always want to monitor them. But this is something that a kid can prepare on their own and enjoy it as well, just like I'm getting ready to enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next show.